Hello. We have one more thing to talk about in our series of number videos. Okay, so these are a special kind of number called ordinal numbers. Ordinal numbers, or order numbers, if that's easier. Okay, we're going to talk about what are ordinal numbers. Well, I will tell you, or maybe you already know. Ordinal numbers are special number words that tell us about order or sequence, right? So boom, 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 boom. Who is in a line? We're going to use our imaginations to listen to a scenario. So imagine ice cream truck, right? Everyone loves ice cream. And oh my goodness, there are 5 children that run to get in line and wait to get ice cream. So we have Carlos, Maria, David, Natalia, and Binod. Okay, these are our 5 children. So, we're going to learn how to talk about how they're standing in line, just to learn our number order words. First, the word first means number 1. Who is first? Right? Who is first? First is number 1. Which child? Who? Carlos. Carlos is first. And you should be able to see that, so good. Carlos is first, right? He's right here, right next to the ice cream truck. He'll get his ice cream first. After first, we have second. Oh, wait, we have to talk about S. So look at these letters. These are important. S-T, first. They come from how we spell the word first, right? Spelling is what letters are in it. F-I-R-S-T is how you spell first. So st, first. Good. So after first is second. Second means after first, the next one. Next, after first, is second, number 2. So 1, 2, first, second. So who is second in line for ice cream? Oh, well, Maria. We can see Maria is second. Maria is after Carlos. Carlos is first, Maria is second. Good. So here's that nd, second, S-E-C-O-N-D, second. After second we have third. Third. Who is third? Third means number 3, after second. So third means number 3. T-H-I-R-D, third. David. David is third, right? Carlos, Maria, David. 1, 2, 3. First, second, third. So David gets his ice cream after Maria. D, right? That R-D, third. Good. Next we have a review. Who is first? Which child is first? First. Who is second? Who is after first? And last, who is third? Who is third? Who is number 3? Good, you should know this now. So fourth, moving on, fourth, Natalia is fourth, right? She is number 4. Carlos, Maria, David, Natalia, fourth. Very good. So the TH is important to remember because a lot of other numbers have TH as their ending. First, second, and third are special. So any number ending in 1, 2, or 3 will have first, second, third, and we'll go over that later. But everything else has a TH at the end of it. So fourth. Good. Example, the next one is fifth, number 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. First, second, third, fourth, fifth. Right, so who is fifth? Who is fifth in line? Binod. Binod is fifth. Right, there's that TH. Pay attention to the TH. Good, so first, second, third, fourth, fifth. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What happens when, oh my goodness, all of these other children show up and they all want ice cream? How do we count them, right? So, how do we count the order of all of these children? Good news is that there is a pattern, right? Something that repeats. So to use this pattern, we must know the 4 ordinal number endings. There are only 4 endings to the words, right? We have already seen all of them, right? These are the endings. First, second, second, third, third, right? And then the TH is the most important, TH, fourth. So here are the numbers up to number 9. What do you see? What do you see? Right, everything is TH, 5th, 6th, 7th, 8th, 9th. Good. So the good news also is that the ordinal numbers that are number 4 all the way up to number 20, they all end in TH. Right, so all of these numbers, boom, 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 they all end in TH, right? 4th, 5th, 6th, 7th, 8th, 9th, 10th, 11th, 12th, 13th, 14th, 15th, 16th, 17th, 18th, 19th, 20th, right? The 20th child in line to get ice cream has to wait a long time. They're the last one, maybe. So here's an example, 8th, right? It's right here, number 8, 8th. Another example, 10, 10th. 12, 12th. 14, 14th. 17, 17th. And then we also have the 20th, right? So let's practice. Say the ordinal number word for the number that is highlighted. Example, you'll see a red circle. 2. What's the ordinal number for 2? Second, right? So again, that's say the ordinal number word that is for the number highlighted. Second. Good. Next. You tell me. I'm not going to tell you. Good. Hopefully that wasn't too difficult. So, continuing on in our conversation about ordinal numbers. What about numbers after 20? Right? We should know numbers after 20. Luckily, there's another repeating pattern. So, 21 is 21st, right? Because we have 1 at the end. 21, 21st. Same with 22, 22nd, right? Ends in 2. 22 means 22nd. In order words. Good. 23, 23rd, right? 23rd. So there's that first, second, third. 21st, 22nd, 23rd. And then, as you can imagine, there would be 24, 24th, 25th, 26th, 27th, and so on. So as we learned, from 4 until the next 1 at the end of the word, right? So all the way 24th, 25th, 26th, 27th, 28th, 29th, 30th, right? There's still that TH, 30th, until the next 1 at the end of the word, which is 31. Then we would say 31st. That's when it resets to first. Good. So, right, so 25th, 26th, 27th, 28th, 29th, 30th. TH. 27th, 28th, 29th, 30th, 31st, right? There's that reset. 31st. 31. And then it would be 32nd, 32. 33rd, 33. Good. So, ordinal numbers now, they are important because there are 31 days in the longest months of the year. So, knowing your ordinal numbers up to 31 is probably a good thing, talking about the calendar. So we can say the date the right way. Example, today is Wednesday, January 28th, right? There's 28th, the TH. We use ordinal numbers to say the date correctly. January 28th. Or today is February 21st. Today is March 2nd, right? So not March 2, March 2nd. Not February 21, but February 21st. That's correct. So, what date is your birthday? Make sure you use the right number order word, right? So what day is your birthday, right? Happy birthday to you. What day? So my birthday is March 3rd, right? Not March 3, but March 3rd. More ways to use ordinal numbers, more examples. When you are doing a sport and you win, who comes in number 1, right? Who's number 1? First place. We call that first place. You win a gold medal. Gold, right? That's this one, number 1. Gold medal is number 1. So gold medal is first place, right? A silver medal is number 2. So a silver medal is second place. And a bronze medal? Number 3 is third place, right? So we use this for awarding prizes and titles for competitions and games. We can also use this to talk about people who hold a special title, a special job. Justin Trudeau is the here's his number, 23. Justin Trudeau is the 23rd, right? Not 23, he is the 23rd. Right, there was a first prime minister, a second prime minister after him. There was another prime minister. Justin Trudeau is the 23rd prime minister of Canada. Joe Biden is the 46th president of the United States, right? So they come in order. Good. So being the next person to have an important title. And this could also be in your family. You might be the first child in your family, the second child in your family. I am the first child in my family. Maybe you're the 5th child in your family, right? These are all important things. So, some more practice. How would you say 56? Right, 56th. I'm the 56th person to work at my job. What about 75? Right, 75th. 75th. So, what about this? 34. Right, be 34th. Good. Now you do this one. You tell me. Few more. 91. 91st. That one might be tricky. Good. So more ordinal numbers practice. What about this? We learned this number, right? This is 1,000. So we would actually say 1,000th. You are the 1,000th person to call me on my cell phone. 1,000th. Or 1,004th. You're the 1,004th person. Right? This is combining our big numbers practice. So 1,833rd, right? Because the number is 1,833. The ordinal number is 1,833rd. Good. And 1,074 turns into 1,074th. Right? So you can see it's the same pattern. First, second, third, fourth. All the way up as high as you want to go. So, good. We're just going to look at some of these numbers. Let's look at the biggest one. 2,195. What do you think that would be as an ordinal number? Good, if you said 2,195th, you're correct. Good job, ordinal numbers. All right, we're all done talking about numbers. Thank you for learning with me.